Hello friend, welcome to Applied Programming Tips, and today we will talk about classes in JavaScript. Since we know that there is no as such class keyword in JavaScript, then question arises that can we create classes in JavaScript? I would say yes. Still, we don't have any class keyword in JavaScript, but we can create classes in JavaScript. So before going from going to going jumping into the example, I want to request you guys, so please click on subscribe and click on bell icon button, so that you can get notification for new videos, and please click subscribe button so that I can create more video for you. If you click subscribe button, then in that case I can get you guys are getting benefit from these tutorials or these video. So please click on subscribe button as well as bell icon. So let's jump into the example. Let's say if you want to create a person class in JavaScript, so how can you create classes in JavaScript? So let me demonstrate you. Uh, See, here this line of code will demonstrate our line of code is sufficient for creating the class prototype, class in JavaScript. So you have to just write function and name of the function and the parameter. So this technique is called parameter constructor. So you have just use this keyword. As all of you know, this keyword is the context of current scope. This is representing all about this context. So you can see here I have written whole property here: first name, last name, age and eye color, and putting the value and accepting the parameters value in these properties. So this is all about creating classes in JavaScript. You can also create the object of this person type. So you can see here I created two object. My sister, my brother. These all type of persons. So I just pass the name, last name, and age and eye color. So so this is all about classes. So let's jump into the Google Chrome snippet window so that I can show you the implementation of this theory, and let's jump into. So here we are in Google Chrome snippet. So I'm going to create a new snippet for you. This is classes in JavaScript. So let's create classes in Java. Let me make it a bit bigger so that it can easily visible. So let's try to create a class. So I have already demonstrated you how to create classes in JavaScript by using function constructor function. So function, you just need to use function keyword, and you have to give the name of the class and you have to pass name, last name, age and eye color. So this is the person class. So you guys know this is a current context of this scope. So if you want to create property, then you can create here name, you can write here name, first name equal to name, first name is equal to name, and this does this dot last name, this dot last name equal to last name last, and this dot age equal to age, and this dot eye color is equal to eye color. Right. So you guys thinking why I'm using this keyword. So if you write like this, first first is equal to name, right? So what will happen if you write like this? What will happen? This property variable will be in private scopes. You will be not getting this first property. You will not get the first property associated with the person class object. So in common, I mean, you can say like this, if you write if you using var keyword and declaring your variable inside the person class, then this will be the private member. This is private member, and you will be not getting this member with the person object. So and if you use this keyword and you create a property with dot operator, I mean this dot first name, then in that case you will be getting this first name property associated with the object of the person class. So let me show you. Let's try to create the object of person class, and if you see here, if I create person and if I pass name and first name, last name, and age, and eye color, right? So this is the parameter constructor. So we have created the object of the person class. This is object of the person class. This is the object of person class. So let's see. Let's console it in the console window and try to figure out is it showing the name of the property. So let's try to do it. Console.log and inside I'm putting my system, and let's try to figure out bit, but make it smaller so that let me click it. Yes. So you guys can see here. Here is the object of the person class, right? So you can see here first name is this, last name is this, age in this, then this, right? So and one more thing you can see here, this is the private member. So you are not getting out this private member with the person class object. So you can see here there is nothing as such property with the name first inside the person object. So this is all about the classes in JavaScript, classes and object in JavaScript. So I hope you guys have enjoyed it, and so thank you very much for watching, and we will meet again with the new creative, practical, real and usable ideas with the applied programming tricks. Thank you so much for watching this video.